everybody. In this video I will write a Python code to access MySQL database and retrieve records from the MySQL database table on the basis of some condition. In the SQL select statement there is the where clause where we can specify the condition. Now I will be write a program which will retrieve record of those customers whose age is greater than 50. Okay, now let's see the Python code here. Okay, let's write this. Okay, I have another window. I will close this. Okay, now let's import mysql.connector. This is the package we have to import. Then we have to make the connection object mysql.connector connect. We have to specify host, in this case localhost, then user, root is the user, password. In your computer user may be different, you may have created different user and password may be also different, so adjust according to your database server. Okay, then we have to specify the database name. In this my case test is the database. Okay, that is the connection object. Then we have to create cursor, db.ursor cursor, then sqlb select asterisk from customer where is greater than equal to percentage yes is b. Let's create the list. Now this age is the list containing only one object, the value is 50. Now let's execute this SQL. Now we have to pass this list also. Now SQL statement contains this conversion specifier and we are passing the list is that the value of list will be inserted in this percentage yes. Okay, now let's retrieve the record from this cursor. Records equal to cus fetch all. Now let's iterate through these records for yux in arrays records print yux. Okay, let's execute this. Now simple, you can see the record of these three people are displayed whose age is greater than 50. You can see Al Pacino, Clint Eastwood, Julia Roberts, 84, 95, 56. So in this way we can write a very simple Python code to retrieve record from the database and records which satisfy specified condition. I can change this age to 50 to 30. Now we will get all the records. Okay, run module. Now you can see all the records are displayed. Now what we can do is we can take value of years from the users also. Let's suppose a be the variable and input is the method to take data from user. Enter is okay. Now here instead of writing value I will write the name of this variable a. Now user will provide value of age and that will be stored to a, and this age is used to create the list and this list is assigned to age. Initially I assigned the value 50 here, but here what I am doing, I am asking user to provide the input. Okay, now let's execute this, save this, execute this. Okay, enter age, let's have 60. Okay, now we can see only two records here. The 56 is not there because we have inserted 60. Now we can re-execute this. Now we can specify SB. Okay, 90. Now you can see there is only one record. Okay, this is the Clint Eastwood. So in this way we can write a simple Python code to access the MySQL database server and retrieve the data according to specified condition. Okay, this is equivalent, this percentage, this SQL statement which I have written using this conversion specifier is equivalent to prepared statement in other languages. This statement helps to stop SQL injection attack. Remember this. Okay, so writing SQL using this conversion specifier and passing values separately in the execute statement is a better way. Because it protects some security threats like SQL injection. Okay, thank you very much for watching.